Brake system warning lights are critical safety indicators that alert drivers to potential issues ranging from minor maintenance needs to serious safety hazards. A solid red brake warning light indicates an immediate safety concern, often related to hydraulic system failure. When this light appears, you should stop driving immediately and seek professional help. A flashing brake warning light typically indicates ABS or electronic stability control problems. You may continue driving with caution, but professional diagnosis is recommended. The ABS warning light, shown in yellow or amber, indicates anti-lock brake system malfunction, though normal braking usually remains functional. Low brake fluid is the most common cause of brake warning lights, accounting for 40% of all cases. The brake fluid reservoir, shown here, should be checked regularly as part of routine maintenance. Other common causes include worn brake pads beyond safe limits, hydraulic system leaks, ABS sensor malfunctions, and master cylinder problems. Regular inspection of brake components can help identify these issues early. Modern vehicles feature advanced diagnostic capabilities, including enhanced OBD systems that provide specific fault codes for precise diagnosis. AI-powered predictive maintenance systems can predict component failure before warning lights activate, with many vehicles offering smartphone integration for real-time brake system monitoring. Understanding your brake warning lights is essential for vehicle safety. Never ignore these warnings, especially red lights that require immediate attention. Professional diagnosis should be sought within 24 hours, and remember that regular maintenance prevents 80% of brake warning light issues. Brake system troubleshooting follows a systematic approach, starting with basic checks and progressing to advanced diagnostics when needed. Begin troubleshooting with these 5 essential checks. First, examine the brake fluid reservoir level and condition. Then, assess brake pedal feel and ensure the parking brake is fully released. Modern vehicles use electronic brake fluid level sensors that trigger warning lights when fluid drops below safe levels. These sensors provide early detection of potential brake system issues. Advanced diagnostics involve 3 key procedures: OBD scanner analysis to retrieve specific fault codes, hydraulic pressure testing to identify system leaks, and thorough component inspection. Professional diagnostic tools include OBD scanners for electronic system analysis and hydraulic pressure test kits for identifying brake system leaks and pressure loss. The standard reset procedure follows 5 critical steps. Always address the underlying brake issue before attempting any reset. This ensures the warning light won't immediately reactivate. Step 3 requires holding the brake pedal for exactly 30 seconds with the ignition on but engine off. This allows the brake control module to reset its stored parameters. Electronic reset procedures use OBD scanners to clear stored fault codes and perform system relearn procedures. This method is more precise than manual resets and ensures proper system calibration. Diagnostic costs have increased 25% since 2022, rising from an average of $280 to $350. This increase reflects the growing complexity of modern brake systems. Remember, always identify and fix the underlying brake system problem before attempting any reset procedure. Resetting warning lights without addressing root causes can compromise vehicle safety.